Dear students, this is also the continuation of your previous two videos. Under installation of cost accounting system, the third important point should be note down is what are the various practical difficulties we may face while installing a costing system. Generally, a cost accountant will encounter the following practical difficulties at the time of installing cost accounting system. They are: first one, absence of cost consciousness. Cost control measures may be adversely affected due to absence of cost consciousness among the employees at all level. This is what I explained in your previous topic also. If you want to get the cooperation from the staff, the details of the system should be explained to the staff. Then only they can understand their work, as well as they are aware about the importance of the work. Otherwise, they are very less conscious and least bothered about the cost. Usually, the management is more cost conscious. The same we cannot expect from the employees, because some employees are very lethargic. So this is the problem while installing a casting system. So the next difficulty is lack of support from top management. Where costing system is proposed to be installed, organizations should seek the support of various departmental managers. This is because very often the managers show hostile attitude towards the costing system. Generally, they are of the opinion that this system will interfere their routine work and probably as a means of checking their efficiency. Hence, management should convince them about the utility of costing system for a business as a whole. The next difficulty is resistance by existing accounting staff. The existing accounting staff resist the installation of cost accounting system on two grounds. First one, they feel that the new system of accounting might lead to excess work, and they are afraid of their job security. But this difficulty should be overcome by encouraging them by telling the usefulness of cost accounting. The next difficulty is called lack of trained staff. There is no doubt that nowadays the Institute of Cost and Works Accountant of India in our country produces a lot of trained persons as cost accountants. In spite of this facility, it is somewhat difficult to get the competent and experienced staff at the time of installation. This problem can be overcome by paying attractive salaries to the cost accountants. Next difficulty is called heavy expenses in installing and maintaining the system. As already stated, cost accounting system is a costly process and it can be able to bear only by the large organization. The setting up of a separate costing department definitely involves heavy expenses. However, it was it can be understand the system of cost accounting must be a useful investment, that is benefits derived from it must be more than the investment made on it. If this is not possible, for the time being the system must be discarded. So these are all the practical difficulties we are facing while installing a costing system. And at the same time, in your next topic, we are going to discuss about how to overcome or what are the different steps to be adopted to overcome these practical difficulties. On the steps, first one, obtaining top management support. Support from the top management should be obtained before deciding about the introduction of a costing system. A consensus of the senior directors, executives, etc. is essential for the successful introduction of the costing system. Second one, securing of employees' trust and confidence. A broad outline of the system is to be explained to all employees concerned in order to gain their confidence and trust. All necessary clarifications and explanations can help to sustain more morale of the staff. The third suggestion is selection of suitable system. The costing system chosen should be suitable to the requirements of the firm, and the same time it should minimize the paperwork. The last step means training to the staff. Existing staff should be trained as per the requirements of the system, and it can be implemented smoothly as well as successfully. On the whole, it is concluded that, in a nutshell, we can conclude that willing acceptance of both managerial and clerical staff along with the workers ultimately decides the success or failure of newly introduced costing system. That's all. Thank you.